Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval Twin Screw pump using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. How to change the single flushed service kit in the cartridge seal. Start by removing the circlip from the groove in the seal housing. Then remove the lip seal. Remove the O-ring. Next, press down the seal housing while removing the second circlip. Then turn the entire seal around. Remove the rotary assembly. Remove the seal face, O-ring and the plastic washer from the rotary holder. Remove the elastomer and coil springs from the seal housing. Then remove the seal housing elastomer. Now replace the plastic washer in the rotary holder and align the slots in the washer with the pins fitted in the rotary holder bore. Lightly lubricate the elastomer with a suitable lubricant and fit it into the rotary holder groove. Now align the slots in the rotary face with the pins fitted in the rotary holder bore. Firmly press the rotary face into place in the rotary holder bore. Lightly lubricate the static face profile elastomer with a suitable lubricant and fit it into the seal housing groove. Lubricate and replace the seal housing elastomer. Insert the coil springs into the coil spring holes in the seal housing. Align the slots in the static face with the pins fitted in the seal housing. Then firmly press the static face into place in the seal housing bore. Use acetone or similar solvent on lint-free tissue and wipe the sealing surfaces of the rotary face and static face clean. Do not spray directly onto the sealing surfaces. Turn the rotary assembly upside down and slide the sleeve carefully into the static assembly, mating the seal surfaces together. Then turn the seal around whilst holding it together. Press the seal housing down whilst fitting the circlip into the groove in the seal housing. Validate the assembly by compressing the seal a few times. Lubricate and replace the O-ring. Lubricate and replace the lip seal. insert the circlip. Finally, validate the assembly by compressing the seal a few times, making sure it springs back out each time. To maintain the Alfa Laval twin screw pump as shown, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure that you cover all the maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Thank you for watching.